Like any true high-performance product, Speedplay pedal systems require routine maintenance to achieve optimal performance. The key to peak performance is to keep the pedals and cleats clean and lubricated. By learning and following these simple maintenance procedures, you will dramatically increase the functionality and longevity of your Speedplay pedals and cleats. First, let's talk about Speedplay cleat lubrication.
Speedplay is the only brand of road pedals that uses heat-treated alloy steel for all engagement contact surfaces. These high-strength components are selected for their increased security and durability. Our SP Lube is specially formulated to dry instantly and bond to the pedal and cleat surfaces, creating a highly protective surface barrier that prevents wear and does not attract dirt. Use SP Lube regularly, approximately every 200 miles of riding, to ensure maximum functionality and improved pedal performance. You can purchase SP Lube from any Speedplay retailer. Other approved dry-type lubricants include Super Lube Dry Film, DuPont Performance Dry, Liquid Wrench Dry Lube, Pro Gold, Finish Line Dry, or Blaster Dry Lube.
Do not use oil. Oil lubricants are wet and attract dirt and debris. Dirt mixed with oil creates an abrasive grinding paste that will cause premature wear to parts. Also be careful not to apply lubricant to the outer surface of the metal bottom plate of the cleat, as it can cause the cleats to become slippery when walking on hard surfaces.
To apply SP Lube, first wipe the cavity of the cleat with a clean rag. Shake the bottle well, then apply a few drops of lubricant on the black cleat springs and the inner surfaces of the cleat cavity where the pedal nests. We recommend using Speedplay coffee shop caps when walking, especially when walking in dirt or sand. Coffee shop caps prevent the cleats from becoming clogged, which may prevent proper entry and release. In addition to lubricating Speedplay cleats, it is essential to routinely grease the bearings inside your pedals. The precision cartridge and needle bearings in Speedplay pedals require grease to reduce friction and prevent damage to bearings from moisture. Speedplay pedals should be greased every 2,000 miles or immediately after riding in wet, rainy, or unusually dusty conditions. Speedplay pedals feature a convenient built-in grease port to facilitate quick and easy maintenance. You should never attempt to remove the needle bearings from the body of a Speedplay pedal, as this will cause damage to the pedal and void the warranty. To grease your Speedplay pedals, you will need a No. 1 Phillips screwdriver, a Speedplay or other suitable high-pressure hydraulic grease gun with a needle tip, and waterproof bearing grease. You should also have paper towels or shop rags available to wipe away the used and excess grease. It is important to use a grease gun that provides adequate hydraulic pressure to forcibly flush the new grease through the cartridge and needle bearings. The Speedplay high-pressure grease gun and refill cartridges of grease are available from Speedplay retailers. Never use spray or liquid lubricants such as oil, Triflow, or WD-40, as they may cause permanent damage to the bearings. First, remove the grease port screw with a No. 1 Phillips screwdriver. Insert the needle tip of the grease gun into the grease port in the dust hole cap. Pump the grease gun slowly while turning the pedal body slowly. Be sure to apply enough force with the grease gun against the dust cap to prevent back pressure within the pedal from popping out the dust cap. Dirty and contaminated grease will begin to purge from the spindle side of the pedal body. Continue pumping slowly until the grease emerging from the pedal is clean. Wipe the pedal body clean of any excess grease. Install the grease port screw into the dust cap with the screwdriver. To check when grease may be needed, we recommend that you periodically inspect your pedals by quickly flicking and spinning the pedal body on the spindle with your finger. A properly lubricated pedal will smoothly spin to a stop within 1 or 2 rotations. If the pedal body spins freely on the spindle, this is a clear indicator that the bearings may be dry of grease and should be re-greased immediately to avoid bearing damage. All Speedplay road cleats should be checked for excessive wear to the metal bottom plate, mounting screws, and cleat springs. It is important that cleats be replaced before the screw heads are so worn that they become difficult to remove. For riders using X-Series pedals and cleats, be sure to check the silver wire spring for any flat spots due to wear, especially after 5,000 miles of use. Excessive flattening of this X-system spring will cause the cleat to rock from side to side on the pedal, further accelerating wear and damage to the system. Cleats with springs showing flat spots should be replaced immediately. Replacement cleats and pedal parts can be purchased through your local Speedplay retailer.
Following these simple routine maintenance procedures will ensure you get to enjoy the incredible performance of your Speedplay pedals for many seasons. Lightweight, increased power transfer, easy dual-sided entry, improved aerodynamics, and cycling's best cornering clearance. If you have any questions or concerns about maintaining or lubricating your Speedplay cleats, don't hesitate to contact us for technical support.